Let's be real, Windows Search, it's a disaster. Slow, clunky, and somehow still stuck in 2010. But I've got something way better. It's faster, smarter, and way more powerful. It's called Fluent Search, and once you try it, there's no going back. So Fluent Search is a free and open source tool that completely replaces the trash fire that is Windows Search. And when I say open source, I mean your data stays local. Nothing shading, nothing phoning home, just clean, privacy-respecting tech. I've been using it personally because Windows Search just doesn't cut it for me. It's slow, barely finds anything I'm looking for, and don't even get me started on that force being integration. And Fluent Search solves all of that. Alright, let me walk you through how to install it. First, go to fluentsearch.net, scroll down a bit and you'll see the download options. Now, depending on whether your PC is running on ARM or x64 architecture, click on the installer under the correct section. That's going to start the download. Once it's downloaded, open up the installer. You'll be asked to choose the installation mode. I'll select for me only, but feel free to choose whatever works for you. Click next. Accept the license agreement, then set your install location or just leave it at the default. Then click next again. Then hit install. Once it's done, Fluent Search will launch automatically. You'll be asked to set your language, so I'll select English. After that, you'll see the welcome screen asking about your system theme, whether dark or light. I'm going with use system theme, then click next. Now, it will ask you to set your hotkey, which is the button combination which will be used to launch Fluent Search. By default, it's Ctrl+Alt, so I'm going to leave it at that. Next up, you'll be prompted to install the background search service. This is important because it helps Fluent Search index your files in the background. So just click the install service, then hit next. After that, there's a screen for search applications. These are more like modules Fluent Search uses to search different parts of your system, like processes, apps, settings, files, calculator, browser tabs, and many other things. There's even a little app store to add more if you want. So, like I said earlier, considering how Fluent Search is privacy respecting, as you can see here, everything stays local. Fluent Search does not send your data to the cloud. However, it does ask to send crash diagnostics to the developer, but you can totally opt out of that in the settings. So now that it's installed, let me show you what Fluent Search can actually do and how it fits into my day-to-day. First off, searching for files, folders, and apps is almost instant. As soon as I start typing, results pop up in real time. No lag, no waiting. If I've got a bunch of windows or apps open, I can just hit the hotkey, type the name, and jump straight into what I need. It even lets me search through browser tabs like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and many other browsers are also supported. And sometimes I forget where I saved the document from the day before, so I'll just type a few words and Fluent Search finds it right away. Same thing with clipboard history. Everything I've copied recently is right there, searchable. It also lets me preview files before opening them, run basic commands, or even do quick web searches like, if I want to search YouTube for something, I just type funny cats and it launches the search instantly. And if you're into customization, you can create your own commands or install plugins to extend what it can do. But honestly, even out of the box, it's already super capable. If you want to tweak how Fluent Search works, well, you've got many options. So if you head over to settings, you have the personalization section where you can change the theme, adjust colors, and even go beyond just light or dark mode if you want something more custom. Then there's the search section, and yeah, it's packed. You can adjust the experience, tweak the fuzzy search settings, change the search delay, remap how things are searched, group your results, set the maximum number of results shown, even define how it behaves when you click outside the window. You can also mess with hotkeys behavior, prioritization, and a ton of other fine-tuned options if you want that control. Under apps, you can customize what Fluent Search actually searches, like files, processes, settings, or browser stuff. And under plugins, you can install or manage extra features to expand what Fluent can do. Honestly, there's way too many things to go over here, but the point is, If you're someone who loves customizing your tools, Fluent gives you a lot to play with. Like, honestly, this thing feels like Spotlight Search or Alfred, but for Windows. It's perfect for students, developers, power users, anyone who wants to stop fighting with Windows Search and actually get stuff done. It's free, it's open source, and once you start using it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. So yeah, if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit like, maybe even subscribe. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive on advanced features, custom commands, or plugins. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.